Hello, little learners. How are you today? Are you good? Awesome. Now, today we are going to learn how to draw alphabets. We will write in capital letter as well as in the small letter. So, let's practice with me. Let's start with letter A. This is capital A. Now, let's write the same in small letter, which is A. Now, let's write B. Same we will write in the small letter B. Now, let's write C. Let's write C in small letter. It will be smaller C. Now, let's proceed and write letter D. In small letter, the letter D will look like this. Let's write fifth letter of alphabet, which is E. In small letter, it will be written as like this. Let's write F. In small letter, it will be like this. Let's proceed further and write the next set of alphabets. What comes after F? Let's revise A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we will write G. Then H, I, J, H, I, J, K, L, then M, N, then O. Now we will proceed further and write P. Then Q, R, S, T, U, do you know what comes after U? Right. It is S, T, U, V, W, X, and what are the last two letters that are remaining? It is Y. And the last letter is Z. That is Z. Now you know ABC. Let's revise all. Okay. So first we will start with letter A. Okay. So this is A. This is A. The second letter is B. Third letter is C. Fourth letter is D. Fifth letter is E. Then F. G. Come on, let's revise with me. H. I. J. This time we are going to revise fast. Then K. L. M. This is M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Now you know your ABC. Let's practice it, guys. Thank you. Tomorrow we will again meet.